This is Mo. This promotion took him 4 years to earn a shot at. 3 days ago, he had everything he needed to walk in here and win it. Let's find out what happened. Windback. 3 days out, his brain looked like this. Then his phone buzzed. One glance opens the door. Every notification is a small hit of dopamine, and something in the room is watching every hit he takes. The fog fed on every scroll. For a second, it looked like he would catch it in time. He set the phone down. The fog hesitated. Then the screen lit up again, and his hand drifted back. He didn't. The small he can have it act in the saving note again, and you're just hit in doing a room, eval the impaired, every screen, face of every note hated. By hour 20, he was behind, because he was working on everything at once. Every time focus splits, it costs a piece of memory. The fog does not create itself. It is fed. His last chance to recover was spent right here. The sleep cut short. You think your brain cleans itself at night? Until there is nothing left to clean with? 30 seconds. 4 years of work. Nothing to give the room. The fog waited. For a second, it looked like all the years had gone with him, waiting. But then he took one long breath and held it a beat too long to be comfortable. He no longer had days. He had 30 seconds, and he spent them all on that one breath. It was not enough to undo 3 days, but it was enough to get through 30 seconds, and that was all he needed. Later, the phone buzzed again. The same choice. The fog does not come from one bad day. It comes from everything you feed it. So what would you have chosen?